Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video I'll be doing a camera comparison between RealMe 2 and the Infinix Note 5. So guys, looking at the results from both the phones, which phone do you think did better? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub signing off. Have a nice day.